I'm Tori Dietrich Torres.
And I am Edgar Torres from Team Torres at Universal Realty.
We are your local Sheboygan Sun real estate reporters.
Today we're here to talk about the steps to home buying. It is so important to know the process and figure out how much you can afford. Which brings us to step number 1. Getting pre-approved by a lender. A lender will be able to give you an official number of your home buying budget. A lender is going to ask you for some documents such as pay stubs, W-2s, and other basic forms to get the process started.
Step 2. Finding a real estate agent. If you don't have an agent, finding the right agent that complements your personality and needs is very important. I recommend interviewing agents until you find the right fit. Having the right agent is crucial to making this process a great experience. Once you have a budget in mind, start making a list of your wants and needs in a home. Some things to consider would be number of bedrooms, bathrooms, locations, square footage, and school district. Real estate agents are the only ones that have access to the multiple listing service, which we all like to refer to as the MLS. It is one of the most effective tools in the home buying process, and it's designed to alert agents of available listings the minute they hit the market. One also very important thing to know is that your agent can show you any home that's on the market, no matter what company has it listed, even for sale by owners. And in almost all cases, the seller funds the agent's commission, so as a buyer, you pay nothing for our services, so you have nothing to lose.
Step number 3, find a home. The fun begins now. You get to start touring homes with your agent. Step number 4, make an offer. You found the home that you fell in love with, and now it's time to make an offer. The seller has the ability to accept, reject, or counter the terms of your offer.
Step 5, your offer's been accepted. A closing date is determined, and this typically is about 30 to 45 days after your offer's been accepted. Now you make your earnest money down payment, and depending on the value of home, it's anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000, and this is held in a trust account until the day of closing.
Step 6, schedule your home inspection and any other inspections that you have requested. Step number 7, secure your financing. Even though you have been pre-approved, there are still additional steps involved in the mortgage process.
Step 8, appraisal. Your lender will hire an appraiser to make sure the home is valued for at least fair market value, and if your appraisal at minimum matches your offer price, you should be clear to close.
Step number 9, your lender will have you purchase a homeowner's insurance policy.
Step 10, now it's time to close and to move into your new home. You should do one final walkthrough before closing, and the purpose of this walkthrough is to make sure the property looks the same as it did the day you made your offer, and to make sure that all of the personal property is out. Step 11, it's closing day. You did it. Now it's time to sign all your loan documents and, more importantly, get the keys to your home.
This is just a quick 11-step process to purchasing the home.
We hope you found this information informative. Please follow us at the Sheboygan Sun for more real estate resources and for all of our upcoming home tours. Thank you.
Bye.